Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to create Microsoft account in your phone. Make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now let's get straight into the process. You can use any of the browser in your device. Here I will be using Google. Here I go. Now at the top you can see that search bar. Type there Microsoft login. Now you can see that Microsoft account, sign in or create your account link at the top. Tap on that. Now here you can see two options, sign in or create a Microsoft account. You have to tap on create a Microsoft account. Now you have to enter your email address, or also you can use your phone number instead. Here I will be entering my email address. After you enter your email, tap on next. Now you have to enter the password. After you are done, tap on next. For the verification, you have to go and check your email and put the code here. I will be opening my Gmail. Here I go. Now at the top you can see that Microsoft account team has sent me the verification code. Here I go. Now I have to enter this code 3007. Here I go. Now tap on next. Wait for a few seconds. It is in the process to be created. Tap on next. Now you have to pick the code here for the verification. Here I go. Again you have to pick the goat. Once again you have to pick the goat. Again choose the goat. Tap on goat. I would not like to stay signed in, so I will be clicking on no. Here you can see that I have easily created Microsoft account in my phone. In this way, you can also easily create your Microsoft account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.